Hey guys, this is Brian here at Summers Woodworking. Today we're going to be looking at Pro for Show 34 dB shooting ear protection. And specially designed earmuffs, lighter weight, and maximum hearing protection. I'll put a coupon code down in the description bar. You can use this for 10% off. And it's reusable. So anyway, let's open this up and we'll test it out. People have been complaining that these are too tight. I was suggested to wrap these over a box overnight, and that way it stretches it out and it loosens up after time. So I don't have a problem wearing them, but other people might. So take that little hint or tip, I should say, into consideration. So anyway, I got these because I like not having to put things in my ears in order to stop the sound. And I didn't like the big bulky ones that you get from Harbor Freight. I like these. These are nice and slim design, and they fit very well. They adjust to the size of your head. Very nice. There's two sizes. There's standard and there's the standard and large. These are the standard ones. They also have the large ones for sale. Anyway, let's get on to testing this. What I'm using is my lav mic. I'm using a phone. But anyway, here's my lapel mic. And I am going to stick them inside the hearing protection to see how well you can hear our voice. Well, hear my voice, I should say. Anyway, I'm going to put it in. See if you can hear me. Any loud bangs. And just test these out. I don't know. I ain't learning the saw or anything, but I like it enough to do. Now I got the lapel out, and I am going to use it in the ones that I've had previously. These are my shooting earmuffs. Actually, they're my wife's. And these are rated at 24, I believe, dB. Anyway, these are real nice, and I paid twice the amount of money for these than you would for these. So let's check these out. I'll stick it inside there. And press it as I would before. And let's check to see what the sound quality of this is. Anyway, that's all I got to say about that. Let's test it. See what the sound sounds like. Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's check the quality. And I'm going to let you know that we're going to be giving one of these away. I mean, the Pro for Show earmuffs. We're going to be giving one of these away to one lucky commenter and subscriber. You have to comment saying, I want this. You also have to be a subscriber of Summers Woodworking. So, hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you aren't a subscriber, I highly recommend you subscribing. That way you don't miss out on videos like this. Until next time, I'll see you later.